To transfer cryptocurrency from Coinbase to a hard wallet, start by opening the Coinbase app and clicking on the Send button. Next, select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin. You will then be prompted to enter the wallet address from your hard wallet. To obtain this address, open your hard wallet device and install the cryptocurrency app for the type of cryptocurrency you want to receive. In this case, Bitcoin. Click on the plus icon next to Bitcoin to install the app. Then go to the account options and create an account. After creating the account, return to the wallet page. Scroll down and tap on the added cryptocurrency. Select the Bitcoin account you want to use. Then click on Receive and verify your address by selecting your device and clicking on the Verify My Address button. Once verified, approve the address on your device. Click on the Copy Address button and return to the Coinbase app. Paste the wallet address. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click on Preview. If a warning appears, click on Continue. Then review and confirm the details, including the wallet address, network, and amount. Finally, click on Send to complete the transfer of your cryptocurrency from Coinbase to your selected hard wallet.